Hey guys, as you can see, it's a beautiful chilly day in the fall when Canada literally turns into a wonderful palette of different colors. Today, I'm going to share with you 7 useful words and phrases to describe the fall season. Stay tuned, we're going to have lots of fun. Number 7. Getting briefer. Getting briefer means getting shorter. For example, days are getting briefer during the fall. Number 6. Brisk. Brisk means something that is quick, energetic, and active. For example, winds are getting brisker. Number 5. Plentiful. If something is plentiful, there is a lot of it available. For example, warm drinks are plentiful during the fall. Number 4. Sit by the fire. If you sit by the fire, you take a seat near a bonfire. Number 3. Curl up. Curl up. If you curl up, you sit in a position with your arms and legs close to your body. For example, fall is the perfect season to curl up by the fire at night. Number 2. Wane. Wane means to decrease in size, extent, or degree, kind of like getting smaller and shorter. For example, last days of summer begin to wane, which means the last days of summer start to become shorter and briefer. Number 1. Fall foliage. Fall foliage refers to the colorful leaves falling down the trees during the fall. Now, let's make a shorter story. Once upon a time, there were a prince and a princess walking down a beautiful castle covered with colorful fall foliage in a chilly evening. As the autumnal winds were getting brisker and the days were becoming briefer, they decided to get back to the castle and drink a cup of tea. The princess felt a bit cold, so she curled up by the fire. Although the last days of October began to wane, their love always remained strong, and they lived happily ever after. So, what sort of stories can you make using the phrases and words you learned today? Don't forget to write them down in the comment section below.